For question number 46, it reads, what function does the discussion of water in lines 35 through 40 serve in passage 1? So whenever we see function, that tells us this is a purpose question. And we're asking, how does this work? Or like, why did the author use this? For purpose questions, we're always answering the question why, but we have to understand the concept discussed or the main idea. We have to understand the what before we get to the why. Also for this, one of the best strategies you can take is to put yourself in the shoes of the author. So when you're trying to make an argument or when you're trying to write an essay, what would you do? And that's one of the best ways you can understand what's going on here. So let's go ahead and look at the part that they're referencing. It's this last paragraph in this clip. It says, water ice from the moon's poles could be sent to astronauts on the International Space Station for drinking. Or as a radiation shield, splitting water into oxygen and hydrogen makes spacecraft fuel. So ice-rich asteroids could become interplanetary refueling stations. So these are really just giving us some uses of water. And we want to go ahead and see where else it was talking about water, which was that paragraph right before. It says, in this scenario, water mined from other worlds could become the most desired commodity. In the desert, what's worth more, a kilogram of gold or a kilogram of water? Asks Chris Zachney of Honeybee Robotics in New York. Gold is useless, water will let you live. So this is saying the value of water. So if we look at these two paragraphs, we see that the value of water is these uses. So that's kind of how they come into play together. And we can look at the answer choices to see which one makes sense here. So letter choice A continues an extended comparison that begins in the previous paragraph. It does continue, but let's see if anything other answer choices are better. So let's leave that for now. B, it provides an unexpected answer to a question raised. There wasn't a question in the paragraph before, so it's not B. C, it offers hypothetical examples supporting a claim made in the previous paragraph. That sounds more precise because these uses are all examples. So looks like that's a better choice than letter choice A. So I'm going to pick C as my answer so far, but let's go ahead and check letter D to make sure we're not wrong here. It examples possible outcomes of a proposal put forth in the previous paragraph. Paragraph before didn't have a proposal, it was just saying the value of water, so it's not that either. So our answer is letter choice C here.